Hey everyone, Rylis Productions here. Just a quick update at the shop. We finished the T56 Magnum transmission swap on the Cuda. Runs great. We just got it in line. Thanks Pablo at Les Schwab in Concord, California for zeroing out our toe and making sure our camber is correct and all that. Yeah, so it's running great. Just getting stuff squared away here at the shop. It's still all pretty much disorganized, but here's a Challenger 73 Challenger build is we're using as a work table. Shouldn't really matter. We're going to replace this flat stock hood with a fiberglass TA hood, and then make it all track oriented. So the Cuda is just a rolling test bed for our purposes. We track the car just to make sure that everything works well and is reliable and performs as it should. The premise of the Cuda is going to be transferred onto the 73 Challenger, but with nice paint and all the bells and whistles and a very capable performing car at the track, along with safety features such as a roll cage and fire suppression system. But we're just getting our stuff organized. We got a bunch of parts here that's so really cluttered. We got some industrial racks just to get things more put away, but we'll take care of those at a later time. These here are more transmissions from Tremec. Our previous transmission from the Cuda, we were gonna refurbish and keep as a spare, but a gentleman was able to buy it from us, so we used those funds just to buy a brand new transmission. That zeroes out any or rules out any any worries with a spare transmission. Just have a brand new one. And then the second one here is it's going to be the Challenger's T56 Magnum 6-speed. Back here are all the parts that we're going to install into the Challenger. Like I said, we have to sort it out. And here's the engine for it. We're going to have the welding area here in the back. Got to give a shout out to Nicole and Jennifer and Mr. Jeff Nolan from HTP for hooking us up with our MIG and TIG welding machines, as well as their plasma cutter. And thanks for providing us with a dual flow gauge and op trail helmet. It'll really make our projects even better with such good products from HTP. If you guys want good welding equipment, give HTP a call or visit their website, usaweld.com. They'll treat you right. But yeah, this is pretty much what's going on at the shop. Like I said, it's all cluttered still. We got a bunch of parts here in the back, some used parts that's all over the place. We're gonna get it sorted out. That's what these industrial racks are for. We found another use for the Go Jacks. They're really handy as carts. Each of these boxes weighs like 185 pounds. But they move really easy with the carts, the Go Jack carts. So that was a good find. But things are coming along. We got a little tool wall going here with some magnets. But yeah, that's it for now. Just wanted to say thanks. We're really grateful to be able to do what we do. All the people that help us out, all our customers, all our vendors for our great products that we are able to use on the Cuda that we're going to be putting into the Challenger. And especially to very special thanks to my wife. Love you so much for putting up with me and letting me do all this stuff. But just wanted to say, all the craziness going on in the world, for you guys to be safe, and Cuda's ready to go pretty much. But yeah, this is the shop so far. Next time we'll make a video. This will be all organized and look a lot better than this clusterfuck. But it is what it is. But anyways, Rylis Productions out. See you guys at the track later.